So today, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to say,
I can recognise numbers to 20. I can explore one more than within numbers to 20.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Elsby here. Today we're going to be doing some number, but before we do that, we need to warm our number brains up. Now I've got my 100 square here, and your job today is to find a number as quickly as you can. So I'm going to say a number and you've got to point to the number on my 100 square on your screen. Are you ready? If I hold it here, you should be able to see the numbers. Okay, can you find number 1? Quick. Have you found it? Well done, it's here. Okay, now can you find number 6? Have you found it? It's here. Well done. Okay, now challenge. Can you find number 12? Number 12. Have you found it? Point to it on the screen if you can see it. It's here. A 1 and a 2. Number 12. Well done. Okay, now can you find number 15? Find 15. Can you see it? Can you see it anywhere? It's here. Good job. And now, last number, can you find number 20? Quick. As quick as you can. Well done. It's here. Super work. Well done, you. Today, we are going to be exploring one more. So that means we're going to pick a number and we're going to find out what is one more than that number. There are lots of things we can use to help us, and one of those is our number line. So we're going to be looking at what's on our screen and then checking our number line to make sure we are right.
So first of all, we're going to look at one more than 15. I can see 15 is a 1 and a 5. And here is how we represent 15 using Numicon. Before we find out what one more than 15 is, we need to count out 15 cubes. Can you help me? Pause the video now and count how many cubes I've got. That's right, I've counted 15 cubes out. Now I'm going to add one more.
So we have been looking at the number 15. Goodness me, that's a big number, isn't it? We have counted out 15 blocks and added one more. What do you think one more than 15 is? Do you know? Can you tell an adult if you do know? I can tell you. Let's have a look on our number line. So are you ready? So here's the number line. So we've counted out, where's 15? Here it is. We've counted out 15 blocks and we've added one more. That must mean if I make one jump up my number line, we can see one more than 15 is 16. So there are 16 blocks on our screen altogether. If you want to, you can pause this video to count and check.
Now we're going to look at one more than 17. I can see 17 is made up of a 1 and a 7, and this is what it looks like on Numicon. Before we find out what one more than 17 is, let's count out 17 cubes. Pause the video now and make sure I've counted out 17 cubes. That's right, I have counted 17. Now I'm going to add one more.
Okay, right then. Now we have counted out and we are exploring one more than 17. Oh my goodness, that is a very big number. So we've counted 17 blocks out and we've added one more onto the end. What do you think one more than 17 is going to be? If you know, I want you to shout it out or tell a grown-up. Have you done it? Okay, right, let's check on our number line and see if you were right. So I've got my number line here and I need to find 17. Can you see it? It is here. Can you see my number 17? If I move one place up my number line, so if I go one more than 17, what have I landed on? That's right, it's 18. So we know now that one more than 17 is 18. Wow! Now you can pause my video and count all of the blocks together to make sure we were right.
Now, finally, we're going to explore one more than 19. I can see 19 is made up of a 1 and a 9, and this is what it looks like using Numicon. Now, before we do anything else, I need to count out 19 cubes. Pause the video now and check if I have counted out 19 cubes. Now I'm going to add one more.
Okay, right, we have counted out 19 blocks. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of blocks, wasn't it? But I want to know what one more than 19 is. Wow, this is a big number. Okay, let's think. What's one more than 19? What do you think it is? What do you think one more than 19 is? If you know, I want you to either shout it out to me or tell a grown-up. Okay, right, I'm going to check on my number line to see if you were right. Shall we have a look? Here is my number line. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see all my numbers. Okay, so we found 19. There it is. There is 19 on our number line. We've counted out 19 blocks and we've added one more on. So I'm going to jump up one space up the number line. What have I landed on? What number is that? It's number 20. Wow, I know that 20, here it is one more than 19 because it is one space up our number line. Wow, we're so clever. We just know that one more than 19 is 20.
How do you think you did today?
Can you recognise numbers to 20? Can you explore one more than within numbers to 20?
If you can do that, point to the smiley face. If you're not sure, you can point to the other face and we can do a bit more practicing.
Good job, guys. We've worked so hard today. We can now tell our grown-ups what one more than numbers are all the way to 20. We know that we can use our number line and we know that we can also use objects to count out one more. Your challenge now is to have a go at doing this yourself. So I want you to get some objects, so maybe some pasta or any toys that you might have, and I want you to pick a number, any number up to 20. I want you to count out that many and write it down. And then I want you to add one more onto the end. Count how many you have altogether and then write that down as well. Good job. See you soon.